There has recently been new discoveries released on this guy's DNA. The Gettysburg Museum of History owns this swath of bloodstained fabric from the couch in the Führer bunker that Mustache Man unalived himself on. We could say almost without a doubt that this is his blood, due to matching Y chromosome types with living distant male relatives. The findings also show that the blood is consistent with someone falling over after a fatal wound, and is not consistent with something like pouring out a vial of blood. The genetic results show that he had a high predisposition for several mental health conditions, such as autism, ADHD, schizophrenia, and bipolar disorder. The scientists are clear that these findings did not mean that he had these conditions, just that he was highly predisposed of having them at some point of his life. The finding most discussed is that he did have Kallmann syndrome, which is a hormonal disorder that can delay puberty, result in undeveloped genitalia, and cause fertility problems. And it also means that he had a less than 10% chance of having a micropenis. Finally, the findings put to rest the myth that he had any Jewish lineage. These findings are very interesting, but they do open up a lot of space for speculations. There has long been speculations revolving around the Mustache Man having possible mental health conditions. But in my opinion, focusing on the more definitive data is best, like the fact that we now know with almost complete certainty that he did die in that bunker.